Okay, so these are the most missed questions from the unit test that you guys just took. So this first one asks for the sum of the interior angles of the polygon shown. Easiest way to think of this one is actually to subdivide it into triangles by starting at one vertex and then extending out segments out to each of the opposite vertices. So you'll notice we broke this into 3 different triangles. All right, each of those triangles has a sum of 180 for its angles. So if I take that 180 times 3, I'm going to end up at 540 degrees. All right, and again, it's because if I take angle 1, 2, and 3 there, those add up to 180. So I'm up to 180 around those outside angles. If I take 4, 5, and 6 here, those add up to 180. And then 7, 8, and 9, those add up to 180 as well. So when I put all of those together, I end up getting all 4 of the angles on that one, and that's 540. So again, that's 540 is 3 times the 180, and it's 3 because 3 triangles, 180 because the sum of a triangle's angles is 180. All right, so that's the first one there. That was the most commonly missed one. The next one is a similar problem. All right, so they want the sum of the interior angles. So we're going to split this up. All right, again, we've got 3 triangles that it breaks into. Each of those is 180. So we have 3 times 180 degrees. That again gives us the 540 degrees. All right, so we have a 540 for each of those as our final answer. All right, now the next one says, could 7.7, 4, and 1.7 be the side lengths of a triangle? So the key to that is that the sum of the smaller 2 sides has to be larger than the third side. All right, so if I take any 2 sides in this and add them together, it has to be a number that's larger than the other side. So typically what I'll do is I'll start with the 2 smaller sides. And if I've got 4.0 plus 1.7, that's going to be a 5.7. All right, so there's absolutely no way that I can connect those with a 7.7 side. Because if I even get a little bit of an angle here, all right, and this is 4 and this is 1.7, there's no way that that last side could be 7.7. All right, that's a no-go. So this one is a no. All right, now the next most commonly missed one, we've seen quite a few like this. This is a composite area problem. So this one we can split into a rectangle and a triangle. So I'm going to drop a vertical line down right there, and that's a 1 by 24. So our area is going to be the 1 times 24 for the rectangle, plus 1/2 base times height. All right, for the triangle, the base of the triangle would be 7, because 1 of it is left over here on the side, and out of that 8, that leaves me with 7. All right, and then the height on that one is going to be 24, because again, it's the vertical height forming a right angle with the opposite side. So if I push this together, I get 24 plus half of 24 is 12, so I have 12 times 7, and 12 times 7 is 84. If I push those two together, I get 108. All right, so the area on that one is 108, and it would be units squared. All right, the next commonly missed one, that actually was it. So there is no more commonly missed ones. Overall, great job on that quiz. Again, if you want to retake it and try and improve that score, you're more than welcome to. That one was entered as the equivalent of 3 times the typical homework assignment that we have, because it was a little bit more substantial in terms of time and coverage. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a great day.